Hi, I'm gonna show you how to make this falling leaves particle effect in Godot 4. So let's start with opening up Godot and making this a 3D scene, hitting the little plus button or Ctrl A and searching for GPU, adding a GPU particles 3D. And then you'll see this warning, and in this warning it says that you need to have draw passes and a process material. So in the draw passes, in pass 1, make this a plane mesh, and in the plane mesh, on the material tab, hit new standard material 3D, and go down and in the albedo, and in the description, download this leaf texture or a texture of your own. When you have downloaded the leaf texture, drag the texture onto your texture in the albedo, and there you have it. And you can see that it's not transparent around the corners. And to fix that, go to transparency, and in the transparency change it to alpha or alpha scissors, and in the cull mode change it to disabled. This will make it so you can see it from all sides. And now we're done with the plane. Now we can close that down and open a process material, and in the process material make it a new particle process material. And now you'll see it start falling. Let's start with the emission shape and change it from point to a sphere, because trees are most of the time round at the top. And you can change the radius depending on how big you want the sphere to be. I'm just gonna keep it at 1 for now. In the particle flags, enable rotate Y. This will make it so the leaf can rotate in the Y axis. Now go to the direction and change the X to 0 and the Y to -1. And keep the spread at 45. In the gravity, make it -1. And making it lower will affect how much the leaves get affected by gravity. Now initial velocity, make this 0.5. And now you will see it's getting some velocity. In the angular velocity, I think this is on the rotation that we enabled with rotate Y. Make it something like 50. Now you'll see it starts to rotate. In the radial XL, change this to the max XL to 0.5. I'm actually not sure if this does anything. And in the tangential XL, change the max to 1. And in the angle tab, change the minimum to -90. And now you can also change the scale, and all leaves in real life aren't the same size, so you can make it like 0.4 for the minimum and 0.8 for the maximum, so they have some different size in them. And now we're pretty much done. Now scroll up to the top and change the time to something like 5. And in real life there's always a bit of randomness, so change it to 0.5. And let's change the amount to something higher, like 50. And now close that down and open the draw passes again. And change the orientation to face X. And now you'll see it looks a little bit better. I'm also gonna change transparency to alpha scissors because I think it looks a little bit better. And change the alpha scissors threshold to 0.9. I think it looks a lot sharper and more crisp. I'm also gonna add a tree so you can see how nice it looks. And I think this really sells the effect a lot more. And if you also wanna learn how to make trees in Godot, I've made a tutorial for that you should watch. And that's all for this leaf particle effect. And if you have any questions, or if you know how I can improve this particle effect, please leave a comment about it in the comments, because I'm still new to particle effects and it's actually really interesting. Thanks for watching.